welcome to my channel. I'm Lauren Boucher, and today I'll be making applesauce. I have some apples that are kind of about to go bad. They have some brown on the bottom and they're getting soft. This one might be gone, but you know what, we're gonna give it a try. Because this is how you want them. This is when they're their sweetest. So you just need a cutting board to cut the apples up, a knife. I'm gonna peel the apples before I cut them. You just need some lemon, some cinnamon, and brown sugar. And if you want to be really healthy, you don't even need brown sugar. It's the simplest recipe. So first I'm gonna peel these. Okay, 3 apples. Now I'm just gonna cut them. Okay, just try to get as much of the apple as you can, and then I'm just gonna cut it into smaller sizes. This isn't really important. These apples are pretty soft, so they're gonna break down pretty quickly. And it's okay if there's some skin, but it kind of adds a different texture that isn't like the best when you're eating applesauce. Well, personally, I don't really like it. If you do, that's fine too. Okay, pretty much chopped. So now I'm gonna get a pot. I'm gonna transfer this all to the pot. 3 apples fills like almost half the pot, not quite. So then I'm gonna put water in. I have 2 cups, I'm not sure exactly how much. Yeah, probably so it covers half the apples. So I put in about half a cup. I'm gonna put in a little bit more. Okay. So yeah, so the apples go up to here. I did the water like halfway through. Now we're gonna do a little more. Oh, so I did about a cup. So we'll just do a little over a cup. A little more than a cup. So almost all the apples are in, and we can put our toppings. You can do a dash of brown. I mean, this cinnamon, a little bit of sugar. So this is probably like half a teaspoon. I'm not doing a lot because these apples are really sweet. Alright, so I'm gonna throw that on the stove. So I have the lemon. I'm not gonna, I'll just put some in now. I don't know, a few squirts of lemon. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the stove, see how long it takes. So it ended up taking about 14 minutes to cook, and I think I might have used a little too much water, but I have to taste it and try. So I'm just gonna let it, so it's cooling, but I'm just gonna pour it into this mason jar for storage. Ooh, and then give myself a little bit. I forgot to say I used McGowan apples, McGowan or Macoun, and you could tell, oh my god, so good. You could tell when I was pouring it didn't get that thick because I used, I think, what did I use, a full cup, a little over a cup. I probably should have used about half a cup of water, but it's still, it is so good. It's a little tart, I think because I didn't use much sugar, but it's so freaking good. It's just like mushy apples. I could eat this every day. And if you were substituting, like I mentioned before, sometimes I use applesauce instead of eggs in my recipes to cook breads and all that stuff. This would be perfect. So much better. Sweet with a little tartness, nice apple flavor. Give this a try. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.